Hello, folks. Welcome to 101 Wealth Creators. My name is Eric. Guys, thank you for another time for joining our YouTube channel. And just want to give thanks to those guys who have shared, they've subscribed to our channel, they've viewed our content, and you're making this YouTube to be the fastest growing YouTube, that is talking about how to make our wealth or how to grow our wealth, you know. So guys, I want to say thank you for everything that you're doing, and thank you for sharing the content out. We're still pushing, we still bring you good content on how you can build your passive income and everything. As we say here, we just tell you as it is. We tell you that wealth is never built in one day, you know. It is a process and it grows gradually. Those guys who want to get rich today, you are headed into being scammed. That's why I tell you that here we just learn the basics and try to understand what can help us bring another coin into our pocket. Okay? So that's why we try to diversify in different things that we do. We say that for you to build your portfolio of wealth, you diversify, you do passive income, you do other things, and when you collect your money together or when you collect your income together, then it makes sense, you know. That's why each and every time I try to bring tips, I try to bring basics on how you can build your wealth on each and every area. Let's say cryptocurrency, shares, forex, matters investing, matters business, how you can improve your passive income. That's what the wealthy do. They really work hard to build sources of income, and they end up doing marvelous. Like, for example, Elon Musk, he's the richest guy in the world, running Tesla and stuff. But you find him, he does different things. He's invested his money in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Dogecoin. Imagine the meme coin. Someone like Elon Musk has money in it. So diversification is the thing, guys. And that's what we are talking about. That's what most of the people don't talk about. We just talk about getting rich quick, but diversification is a thing. That's why I try to touch each and every area: cryptocurrency, forex, and shares, and these other investment, bonds, and everything. Whatever you think you can pick and work out with, that's okay with you. So guys, without wasting any time, let's go to class and learn about the basics of forex and basics on how you can trade cryptocurrency, forex, and shares. Welcome one more time and enjoy your class. Hello, folks. Welcome to 101 Wealth Creators again. And we just entered the class for another learning. And as we said, it's all about learning and understanding the basics. You guys did maths. You remember the board maths? Exactly. That is it. Like, before you learn how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and everything, and the brackets, you have to understand how board maths works. And that's what I'm doing here, giving you the basics on how you can trade forex, you can trade cryptocurrency, and you can trade shares. Guys who've been in class for the last 2 lessons, I think I've received wonderful feedback. And that's it. Just learning the basics that can help you. And the basic, as I always say, forex is very broad. And candlestick, when you understand candlestick, trading becomes real easy, because when you see any given candlestick, you know what it means. That's why I'm concentrating first on candlesticks as our basic, as our board mass, So guys, Last week we learned about Doji and how it affects the market. I believe you can remember how Doji looks like, you know, the psychology behind it from the notes that I gave you last time. And today, without wasting time, I want us to dive in and learn about just two, like just two, and then introduce you to one. I don't want to make you be tired, but we are just beginning the introduction of candlestick, and then we'll go to the strategies we use on forex and everything. Which strategy do you use? Like, do you do day trading? Do you do position trading? Do you do scalping? You know, but now it's just basics. Like when you open a chart, what do you see? What can you tell someone? You know, when you see a candlestick, can you name it? You know, but people want us to learn like everything on the same day. No, 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 not here, not in our class. In our class, we go step by step. And I said, I'm introducing you to candlesticks. We exhaust candlesticks and then move to another thing. So, guys, I want you to pay attention in class as we carry on today. So today, I'll start with the combination of candlesticks and then gives out a formation, and that is a morning star. Morning star entails of three, three candles. So we have a bearish candle, you know, and then that small bearish candle almost to doji, you know, and then bullish candle, you know. So morning star mostly occurs on the support, you know, on the support, meaning that if you draw the support and resistance, then it appears on the support, the morning star uh, candle, then automatically you know that the flight is almost leaving, and you can set up your entry, you know. So from my small note that I shared with you guys, that I broke down here, I just wanna read it to you so that I give you clarification of what I'm talking about. The Morningstar pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. It often occurs at the bottom of the downtrend. It consists of three candlesticks, you know. It occurs on the bottom of the downtrend. Like as I said, when you draw support and resistance, then you'll find it mostly occurring on the spot, you know, ready to take off. The first candle is bearish, which indicates that sellers are still in charge of the market. You guys remember the bearish and the bullish candle? Yeah, you can differentiate between the bearish and the bullish candle as of today. So the first candle is always bearish. The second candle is small, in which represents sellers in control, but they don't push the market much lower. And this candle can be bullish or bearish. It doesn't matter. It can be bullish or bearish. And then the third candle is bullish, you know, bullish that gaps up on the top and close above the midpoint of the body of the first day. This candle holds significant trend reversal signal, you know. So this candle is the one that matters. If your first indicator is that, okay, it's on the down, it forms on the downtrend on your support, you know, and then the first candle is bearish. The second candle doesn't matter, it can be bearish or bullish, and then the third candle is bullish, you know, it's bullish, and it's such signifying, or it signifies that the trend is on the reversal mode. So at that point, when you see it, you know, with other confluences, then automatically you can put in your trade. You can put in your trade of buying, because you know automatically the trend is start gonna go up. So when you see it automatically as a candle, as candle formation, and you see it, yeah, you know, you know that, oh, okay, this is what is happening in the market. That's the beauty of understanding the candlesticks. The Morningstar pattern shows us how buyers took control of the market from the sellers when these patterns occur at the bottom of downtrend near a support level. It interprets a powerful trend reversal. Guys, can you hear that? Yeah, like just what I said. It forms on the downtrend near the support level. Like always, we'll talk about drawing support and resistance after we've learned about candle. And when you see it form on the support level, automatically you wanna enter into the trade because it's it's gonna pick up, And here it is, guys, from the picture. It's not very big, but you see, if our support was here, and you see this Morningstar form, then automatically we're gonna go onto the upper trend, We're gonna go up onto the upper trend. So if our support was here, then automatically these forms, we just put our position, We just maybe take long. So here we check long because automatically the trend is on a bullish move, And I say on this note that the chart below helps us identify the morning pattern and how it is significant when it's formed at the bottom of the downtrend. As you can see, the pattern occurs at obvious bearish trend. It was on the bearish trend, and then it forms on the bottom, or on the support, automatically you're gonna go up. The final candle confirms the seller's domination, and the second one produces indecision in the market. The second candle could be a doji or any other candle. You remember I said on the top there that the middle candle can be a doji or something, but it has a very small body with very small wicks on the bottom of the Morningstar. But here, the doji candle indicates that the sellers are struggling to push the market lower. The third bullish candle indicates that the buyers took control from the sellers, and the market is likely to reverse. The market is likely to go up. The market is likely to give you some money. This is how professional traders analyze the market based on candle patterns. And this is how you will analyze your financial market if you can master the anatomy of the candlestick and the psychology behind the formation. Guys who are in class today, who are watching this is what I say. I always tell you that when you understand the candlesticks, then it's so easy to play with the big boys, That's why I decided to just start with you guys and talk about the candlestick, because I know the power of what understanding the candlestick can do for you when you are trading any given market, So when you understand and analyze the market based on candlestick pattern, then it's so easy to read it, to read it. You can read any given chart. When you jump onto it, you can see doji, you can see Morningstar, you can see any other candle that you can see. You can see pin bar candle, and then you can understand the psychology behind it, And when you understand the psychology behind it, man, you guys are gonna rock. Like, you will thank me later that what I told you was right, And then on that, then the opposite is true. The opposite of the Morningstar candle is evening star candle. Like, that is so easy to remember. Morningstar candle, evening star candle, and automatically, if Morningstar candle is forming on the support, then automatically the evening star is forming on the resistance. Plus, it's forming on the resistance, So if this one was forming on the downtrend, if it gave a reversal on the downtrend, this one is gonna form and give reversal on the uptrend or up there or on the resistance. So when it forms on the resistance, it's hit to go down. And when you see it form after you've drawn your support and resistance, and you find it's hitting on the resistance going down, guys, you are taking a shot, you know? And I'll show you how to take longs and shorts, you know? It's so easy. But before that, we just need to understand how the candle works. It's a magic, guys. It's a magic. That's how you do it, you know? All right, all right. And then the evening star pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern that usually occur at the top of the upper trend. Just what I told you guys, like automatically it forms up. It's so easy. Like it's so easy when you understand it. One forms at the downtrend, where end of the downtrend, and another one forms at the end of the upper trend. And what the other confluence that I'm telling you to use is support and resistance. So easy, you know? Same if you're using Bolingo band, it's the same thing. You look at it when it goes down and track the Bolingo band down, then you take your trade. It goes up, it takes the one that reverses on the Bolingo band down, that is Morningstar. And then it takes upper trend, it goes up. And then when it gets up to the upper side of the Bolingo band, then it starts forming a reversal. And automatically on support and resistance of Bolingo band, it's so easy. You just take a trade, you just take your short or your long. Take your long when you are on the take your long when you are on the support. Take your short when you're on the resistance, and make your money, guys. So you see, so it's like, for example, on what you're seeing, this one. This was an upper trend, you know, class. And then you see automatically when you look at your chart, you see that, oh, okay, there is a formation of evening star candle or evening star formation, you know? Automatically, when you see that, you're like, all right, it's time. If this was support, then automatically, you know, okay, we are taking a shot because we're gonna go down, you know? I hope you guys are attentive and listening. And then I say that, as you can see, the market was trending up. The first candle in the pattern indicate a long move up. The second one is a short candle indicating price consolidation and indecision in the market. In other words, the trend that created the first long bullish candle is losing momentum. The final candle, gapping low than the previous candle, indicate a confirmation of reversal and beginning of new trend down or downtrend. Guys, you see? So that's what I'm talking about. So today, I just wanted to make it for you to understand the morning star and the evening star. I'm trying to make this candlestick learning to be short so that guys are not bored. Next time when we meet in class, we're gonna talk about hammer. It's also a very vital candlestick that people need to understand. So when next time, prepare yourself that we're gonna talk about candle for hammer or pin bar. Very easy to. It's also a very vital one that you guys need to understand. So you see, it's just like a hammer, like a nyundo. Guys who understand nyundo. So the closing price and opening price is on the top, and then we have a long lower shadow, you know. So this one we're gonna learn about it in our next class. But guys, as I say, I'm trying to make our classes short so that guys are not bored. I know you are using bundles to look at this. So you just jump onto it, learn one or two formation of the candle, or learn one or two formation candles, and then jump out. But guys, let me tell you one thing. There is a post that I put the other day, and there was one of our community members who say, "Run, run to the hills," and I was like, "When did learning become a scam, guys? Hmm? When did learning become a scam? You know?" So this one is just learning. Like if someone tells you, if you go to school and someone tells you we're gonna learn about algebra, you just learn about it. So I don't know when learning became a scam, but I'm encouraging guys that those who are interested, please share with other people and let them learn this as we move forward. Thank you. Until I see you in the next class, it's your boy. Thank you for joining me in the class today. And before I leave, I want to tell you that the next video I'm working on is on bonds, how we can invest on bonds. So please join me on the next, and we discuss and see how we can invest in bonds. It's your boy Eric, and